Darigi video na dinga pie diagram beru pie chart labmeba pie chart labme de pie diagram me labmeba pie chart mo pie chart ki kore labni pie chart the pie chart nalu usually representation labmeba temo values di gadebe jimme labachin pie chi de mo pie usually is a circle pie the pie chart nalu divide be mo the circle will be divided into a pie be divide be beong the ani nalu value di gadebe divide be me labachi rejik of degree nalu be ani angles nalu be divide be me ba for example ani di 90 degree me mo 90 degree dele ani di this will be let's say 110 degree dele this is 160 degree and every chance to degree nalbe value will be divided by degree more degree nalu yachin the next way of dividing a pie is by percentage the same bera and be lavachin then it will be divided by percentage for example this is 30 this is 40 and this is 30 percentage baby. So these are two ways of giving a values in a pie chart or pie diagram. Now what we need to understand the same ka jagob gachi du labachin degree na jinjimi bewachin if the value is given in degree na jinjimi labachin total is equal to 360 the same ka jagola 360 degree then pi chi du batimo ani pi gi total di 360 was the same ka jagob du ko degree na jinjimi labachin value di degree na hi labachin total will be 360 percentage na jinjimi labachin total will be 100% 100% tani same ka jagob first thing is we need to keep this in mind degree na ibas total 360 percentage na ibas total 100% mo and same ka jagob do we will look into the previous question previous question di namgi tani mo labachin ani chitani la ani namgi me labachin 2017 ki question 2021 ki question sumchi yani 2021 ki tani ki diga chilab me labachin if the population in 2017 was 681,720 how many of them lived in urban areas to pie jinu batemo pie chart diga debi jinu labachin ani vedu pie circle chi dele there is a value ane beju and ani di 222 degree la bejinu ani di urban ma dele ani di rural ani urban imbe ani rural di 220 degree imbe now the total gamchi dula bashin total population di 6,81,720 dula 6,81,720 danalu ngachi fine bego labachin urban nalumi gamchi denuga urban ki population gamchi duga ani fine bego batmo anjum condition nadi gadebe fine beni mo labachin 222 degree me batmo 222 degree out of total bego out of daji labdu jumbe degree jinjin hi labachin di total 360 de umba atara 360 dele into the total population is 6,81,720 imbe tani the calculate be tawachin value gamchi thopni me labachin 222 divided by 360 into 681,720 and beodalu 4,20,394 and we find bego bela the 22 degrees in batemo and the 222 divided by 360 divided by 6,81 total gamchi no ani ki multiply beodalu ngaji ki ana number urban ki population thopni mela urban ki population. The similarly, next question tawachin analu kachi dula bachin ani 2017 gira imbe 2017 question imbe ani nalu gazum jinula bachin the ani nalu di percentage wise page nova clear me no na clear be na zodage percentage wise page nova pi do pi then it is divided into six parts na divide benu and we divide baby dulo 6 parts nalu dele and give value the 17% dele 22% dele 25% dele 8% dele 12% dele chidu 12% dele 16% dulu anidi dele anidi gadibe email abachin January leme January February March April May and June 6 months ki data dula 6 months ki data du ani jinula 6 months ki data du dele dalu sosu table chi jinu table na di ratio jinula ratio Jan le go to be June sense ki June Jan Feb March April May June ki ratio jindola ratio di gachi email abachi rate to 100 email rate the 100 ki and the basically ani di gachi email abachi 9 emails ki kole email ba girls disu ki email receive be me the total email received total email di 90000 email received total email received di 90000 email 6 months na lumo 90000 email receive benu then each month ki di and percentage bijinu ba each month na gamchi receive benu ga da and the percentage bijinu pie diagram nalu dele each month nalu rate the 100 mo help me the mail help me the mal help me say on ba demo rate mail the 100 email ba and zum bebe so ani ki ratio jinula January na 8:7 do dele February na 4:5 do and zum bela dele 3:2 7:5 7:5 dele 7:8 7:8 dele 7:9 and zum be dula January to February the question di gaji dula bachin the first question di what is the ratio of numbers of emails read in January to those of emails unread in April now January the April ki question imbe January the April ki emails tago numbers dani tani ki denlu hemara gachibe go bela bachin January the April nalu application gamji receive benuga and tago be batimo the January imbe January nalu January the April nalu total emails gamji receive benuga ani tago be ani di gadibe tani mola bachin ani di ani pie chart nali tago be batimo pie chart nalu gachi jinu 17% of 90000 was received in January imbe batimo so ani beudolu total emails January ne gamji receive benula bachin 17% la bachin 17 out of 100 begobe 17 out of 100 into 90000 beudalu 17 into 900 imbe 17 into 900 is equal to 15300 application receive benu 15300 application receive benu January na now we look into April na gamchi receive benu April anadu April na 8% imbe 8 out of 100 into 90000 no daru same 90000 beudalu 8 into 900 joni me 900 into 8 beudalu 7200 April nadi 7200 applications received benu total now the question gidi gachi asks beumela bachin question gidi the ratio of number of emails read in January to those of emails unread in April the read in January unread in April find bego be batemo ani find beni gi delu gachi bego bela bachin ani table na jobe January ki read gi rate find begobe dele April gi unrate find begobe batimo April gi unrate find begobe ani find begobe so ani find beni denu gachi begobe labachin hemara January na total application di 15300 imemo 15300 nale 8:7 lapidubati 8:7 8:7 ge ratio na dubatimo from 15300 8 times was received 8 times was read and 7 times was unread imebat 8:7 now we need to divide this into this ratio na divide ani distribute begobe batimo 8:7 na distribute begobe so ani beni denlu digachi begobe labachin 8:7 na 15300 di 8 the 7 na lu distribute begobe bat 8 the 7 na distribute begobe ani beni denlu digachi begola bachin first ranga che 8 the 7 add begola ratio di add beni 8 the 7 add begola 8 plus 7 mo is equal to 15 remember 15 na 15 jome 8 plus 7 now what we have to do is we have to 15300 divide by 15 benila 15300 divided by 15 is equal to 15300 divided by 15 beodalu 1020 1020 thomeba 1020 now to distribute the 15300 into the ratio of 8:7 gachi bego labachin gachi ana value thopchi bademo 1020 di multiply chapnila into 1020 into 1020 benila into 1020 into 1020 beodalu now this will give us 1020 1020 into 8 beodalu 8160 8160 this is the number of emails that were read remember read the 8160 out of 15300 8160 were read the unread the unread bewachin anyway 7 into 1020 remember 1020 into 7 is equal to 7140 7140 read amchi me unread amchi me 15300 nale rate amchi 100 amchi actually interest di dato rate samchi batemo rate ki interest is so 8160 di rate measures me January nalu now similarly April nalu di 7200 do batemo now 7200 di ngachi gi distribute begobe April na ratio gachi do April na di ratio April nalu 7:5 do bate 7 the 5 na distribute begobe now similarly gachi begobe hemara 7200 di divided by sum begobe batimo 7 plus 5 di 12 so 7200 divided by 12 is equal to 600 jome divided by 12 beodalu 600 jome 600 dele now to distribute 7 the 5 na distribute beniglu 7 into 600 begobe batimo 7 into 600 that 500 5 into 600 now ngachi that the rate na interest mindu so we will not calculate this we will just calculate this unread calculate begobe batimo 600 into 5 so 600 into 5 is equal to 3000 so 3000 the unread email 3000 the unread email mo 3000 the unread email now the question is to find the ratio of the emails read in January mo emails read in January to the ratio of emails unread in April imebate unread in April of the 3000 emails ani ni ratio find begobe so ani benik den gachi begobe 8160 divided by 8160 divided by 3000 begobe batmo 3000 is equal to the anjum be dangachilu ratio gobe batmo fraction gobe so fraction goni gi den gachi begobe labachin calculator na ani bijuni la calculator na ani bijo dangachi gi value gamchidu 8160 8160 divided by 3000 benila 3000 is equal to datu dinga chilu 2.72 na jimbe devdanga chilu fraction na gobe batimo fraction na goni giden da gade change beni la bachin and shift app ni la calculator and shift la bidu batimo la and shift the app Del ana A B by C la bidu ba demo sir. Ani A B by C the epni lani be. Beutalu gachi temme answer the 68 divided by 25. Ani the ane will have nila 68 divided by 25. So ani the gamchi joni me 68 divided by 25 joni me batemo 25. The answer the kadebe joni me lavachin the 68 is to 25 joni me 68 is to 25. So analu bewachin answer gachi do 68 is to 25. Answer A memo 68 is to 25. Answer A email. Similarly, next question if 35% of the read emails of May were read by male cubs, how many read emails were read by female cubs in the same month? So that the May May month May month nalu first May month nalu total application total emails gamchi receive benuga May nalu 12% receive benu 12%. So 12% of the gamchi join email 12 out of 100 12 out of 100 into 90,000 beodalu 10,800 10,800 total emails received in May was 10,800. Now we also need to look at because rate the unread the rate the unread you have to look into the ratio 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 is 7:8 nadula the 10,800 the 7:8 na distribute bego 7:8 na distribute bego be and distribute the benina the chi hematai the chitai ngachi pos asi the bebe chera try benirani find benigi the bema so play bebe the anatani the gade bego be hamara 7 the 8 add bego 15 jom so 10,800 the divided by 15 bego bela 10,800 divided by 15 beni the 10,800 divided by 15 beodalu 720 thop mela 720 down to distribute this what we have to do is and a value of meeting bego multiply bego batimo 7 into 720 bego. Since we are interested in read emails in May, we'll just concentrate this, will not calculate this more. 7 into 720. Beutalu gamchi thop mela 5,040 thop mela 5,040. Anidi the read emails me batemo 10,800 the total emails received in May aninare 5,040 the total read image mo me emails this the 5,040 me aninale henke the gachidula 35% the male gitanu bati 35% the male gitanu 35% the male male read imeba. Now total 100% the 35% male read imagine remaining 65% the 65% will be female read but female read so any value 65% the gamchi thing 65% 100 bego 65 divided by 100 into total read gamchi do 5,040 is equal to the value gamchi theni 65 divided by 100 into 5040 beodalu we get 3276 3,276 emails the female gi read benu se email da and then if you have any doubts maybe little bit confusing jojo and it's lengthy asiba but you need to slowly tabi step by step tabi jo hagongla the hamago watching you can comment gachi hamago particular gachi hamago and comment be watching and explain bebe lo video together as kan